So what do you call this contraption, Miles?
This is anemometer. That's the one. Yeah, Bane. It's it measures the wind speed.
And what are you hoping to get out of this?
Just testing the fume couplers to make sure they're up to regulation.
And how many metres per second are you expecting?
0.5.
Shit, that's only 0.3.
0.3.
Yeah,
that's why Paul's in the books there, trying to work out how we can make the thing go a little faster.
So what are you going to do to get her up to speed?
I think Paul's going to rip this thing apart and see if we can play with some electrical stuff up there and
Supercharge it?
boost it. Yeah.
So how much time is Maximo allocated for this job?
How long is a piece of string?
No, twice the distance from the middle to the end.
No, we've got 4 to do, so.
Oh, right.